He should have presidential immunity, especially after the witch hunt he's been put through.
I just think the guy gets away with everything, and it's really annoying.
Reaction among Long Islanders was swift after the Supreme Court ruled former President Donald Trump has some immunity from prosecution in his federal election interference case. In the historic 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court said for the first time that former presidents can be shielded from prosecution for official acts taken while in the White House.
The court ruled that certain parts of what he did were, in fact, official acts, and he cannot be indicted for official acts. But there were others that they could not quite do because they said it fell into the private or unofficial acts. And so what they've done is they've kicked down to the lower courts to determine what's going on with those unofficial acts and how to define them.
The High Court's decision will most likely delay the criminal case against Trump on charges he plotted to overturn his 2020 presidential election loss and reduces the chance that Trump could be tried before the November election. The Republican former president pleaded not guilty and has denied doing anything wrong. He posted online shortly after the ruling was released, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy." Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer of New York denounced the ruling on X, calling it a disgraceful decision. Schumer wrote that it enables the former president to weaken our democracy by breaking the law. Long Islanders Newsday TV spoke with are divided on the Supreme Court's decision.
It frightens me a little bit because what's going to stop next president for doing things that are illegal and thinking that they're going to have absolution for it?
I think it's a great thing for Donald Trump. It's not the full immunity, but this gives him a chance to have this case thrown out.
If Trump wins the presidency in November, his appointees to the Justice Department could drop the case entirely. For Newsday TV, I'm Virginia Huey.